Ever wonder why Lego bricks make that satisfying click when you snap them together? Let's dive in, Lego style. Scene 1. A Lego chef tries to quietly build a sandwich, but every brick click echoes like a drum solo, waking up the whole Lego kitchen. Scene 2. Two Lego scientists, armed with giant ears and magnifying glasses, sneak up and listen closely as bricks connect with a crisp snap. Here's the science. The clicking sound is caused by vibrations. When you push two Lego bricks together, their plastic studs and tubes snap into place with a tiny but sudden movement. This movement makes the plastic vibrate super fast, sending waves through the air. Those are sound waves. Your ears catch those waves and your brain says, aha, a click. The harder you snap, the bigger the vibration and the louder the click. Try building with marshmallows instead, and there'd be no click, because they're too soft and squishy to vibrate like plastic. So next time your bricks click, remember, it's tiny vibrations making sound waves race to your ears. Punchline. And that's why Lego chefs can never sneak a midnight snack. Science just won't let them.